Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another rack store pickup. Today is not your typical rack store. I encourage you guys, get out and check your local outlets for this particular store. I've purchased from here in the past. I've done videos about this place before, but the store we're talking about is called the Cosmetics Company store, and they're typically in outlets. I don't think they're anywhere else other than outlet locations. But the best part about this place is that from time to time, they have unbelievable high-end fragrances for half off, 50, 60% off. And that's exactly what I was able to find today. Now, my wife was there that day. She unfortunately did not get any video footage from inside, but I do have some photos. I have some old footage from the last time I was here, so you guys can get a sense of how the store is set up and laid out. But the scent I was able to grab is Tom Ford's Costa Azzurra Parfum. Now, this is the 50 ml, and typically this retails for around $180, I want to say, and I paid $90. So sub $100 for a Tom Ford fragrance, a 50 ml. Not a tiny guy. So 50 mLs is perfect for me. I've heard nothing but good things about this scent. And they also had the other Costa Azzurra, the Eau de Parfum, for the 100 ml for $110. So that, I haven't tried that one. I have not tried this one. But I was thinking, you know what? Let me try the Parfum. As I said, I've heard a lot of good things about it. I want to say it came out in 2022. I could double check that. But yeah, as I always do, I'm going to try this on strip, see what I get, put it on skin, let you guys know if it's worth grabbing. This store typically has Tom Ford. They've had Killian's there before. I got my Joe Malone Vetiver and Golden Vanilla there. So they have these high-end designer fragrances for essentially half off. And as I said, periodically 60% off because they do a special sale in addition to their already normally deep discounted products. So not what you would expect. You go in, there's a lot of makeup, a store called the Cosmetics Company. I mean, there is a lot of, you're not expecting to find fragrance in there. And sure enough, it's in there. So let's dig into this and see how it is. Here you have a solid gold bottle. Reminds me a bit of Godolphin. So now I have two all gold bottles in my collection, but I just, I'm a fan of these bottles. I like sort of the simplicity. I like the ribs on them. Tom Ford's Beau de Jour has this as well. So it's a similar bottle as Beau de Jour. Let's check out the atomizer. Decent atomizer. Pushes out a lot of juice. Pretty big cloud. Okay, let's see what we get. This is reminding me of another Tom Ford. Okay, so surprisingly enough, I don't know why I thought this was a really bright freshie. It is bright, and I am getting citrus up top. But the first thing that stands out to me on this is the labdanum. Labdanum comes across as this sort of resinous depth, a little bit warm. There is some amber in here as well. So I don't... This is excellent. I was not expecting this. Off of the strip, it smells really nice. I'd be curious to see how this is on skin. I'm going to try it on skin in a second. But it has this resinous feel to it, which I was not expecting. I don't know why. Costa Azzurra, I was expecting more of a, I guess, aquatic, but that's not what I'm getting here. It's woody. There's some lemon. I'm going to take a look at the notes. I'm going to get this on skin, see how it changes. Something is telling me this is going to come alive on the skin. I love labdanum in fragrances. So let me get this on skin and see what it does. So the notes for Tom Ford's Costa Azzurra Parfum. Top notes are Italian lemon. Mid notes are cypress and oak. And the base notes are amber and labdanum. So the note breakdown of this could not be more accurate. The first thing that jumps out to me is the lemon up top. Way more lemon off of the skin than I was getting on the strip. Followed quickly by that woody cypress. And it's just giving it this earthy aromatic touch with that labdanum. It's a light scent. It does wear like it could be a nice summer scent. It's just not something that I would probably wear during the day. It's not aquatic. It's not a freshie. But it's has a freshness to it. So again, I think that's coming from the aromatic touches of that cypress, that green, herbaceous, earthy type freshness. So it's really nice. It really, for me, is masculine. I guess this could be unisex, but for me, it's more masculine. I really like this. The quality is there. The quality smells great. It's just smooth. Yeah, I mean, I'm really enjoying this right now. Occasions, I would imagine, perfect summer night out scent. Really perfect summer night out scent. It's masculine. It's classy. It has a sophistication to it. Although it wears summery, it still has that sophistication. So you could easily dress this up. You could wear this to work if you wanted to. I just wouldn't go too heavy on it. It doesn't smell like it's going to be a massive projector. As always, I'm going to wear this. I don't have anything on today, so maybe I'll wear it today. I'm going to wear this, talk about it in my weekly wears video on Monday. But for $90, I'm telling you guys, if you are able to get over to a cosmetics company store near you, I think you might find a gem. There was also another Tom Ford fragrance there that I had my wife grab a sample of, and that is Tom Ford's Noir de Noir, which is really a patchouli scent. And I tried that one, and I loved it. I loved it. That was $200 for the bottle, but keep in mind that is the larger bottle. So that it, and I think if I throw up a photo, or if I haven't thrown up a photo, I'll throw up another photo again. You can kind of see it in the photo. It's the larger private blend bottle. So $200 for that is really an absolute steal. But this scent was incredible. So now I'm going to be thinking about Noir de Noir and possibly go grab that one as well. So this is getting a little sweeter, more woody on my skin. So overall, I'm really, really pleased with this scent. And I'm really happy to have added it to the collection. I think it's a great fragrance for summertime, summer nights out. Again, it has this classiness to it. You can dress this up. You can wear this on a date night. Yeah, it's a little sensual, a little sexy, nice scent. Tom Ford's Costa Azura Parfum. As always, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. Have you tried Tom Ford's Costa Azura Parfum? What are your thoughts on it? What was your last rack store pickup? Have you been to the cosmetics company store? Place is incredible. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.